Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the Modern Nomad. Yes, I'm still alive. I know it's been a long time since I posted a video. I'm going to try my best to be as consistent as possible going forward, but, we just had sort of a stressful situation going on, so I just took a little bit of a break there, just kind of got away from the world and just hung out with friends and went camping and stuff. I've mentioned in a couple of my previous videos that I was having some uncertain landlord issues. Well, that blew up a lot bigger than I was expecting it to, so I had to come up here to Wyoming on like a week's notice. Which kind of sucks. I really liked that property. It was really cool being out there, and it was in a really cool location. And I'm really kind of sad that it ended up that my landlord's divorce kind of spilled over into my territory. I was really hoping that it wouldn't, but it ended up doing that. Anyway, I want to show you guys the progress that I've made on the bus so far. Got to get my drink of coffee to get the energy. So this is the bus currently. The outside doesn't look a whole lot different, but we did remove the air conditioner unit on the outside here. It did end up being actually a lot easier than I thought. I just took off the front cover of the air conditioner, and then right underneath it there were two bolts that you could unbolt, and then at the very back there were two more bolts that I just missed at the beginning. I don't know how I missed the other two bolts, but we got it removed without a whole lot of hassle, and it ended up working out really well. I also deleted all the air conditioning line all the way front to back, so it does not have any air conditioning anymore, except for this, which we have in the back now. This is the mini split, which works really well, but basically just built this little box and sandwiched it in there, so it's nice and snug, doesn't rattle around a whole lot, and yeah, it's sturdy. I did a bigger version of this before because I wanted to do the air conditioner and like some kind of storage or propane or something on the other side over here, and I ended up not going with that idea because it seemed not very stable. So I rebuilt it just so now it holds the mini split, and I might put something on top of the mini split. I'm not 100% sure, but maybe. On this side over here, we do have a door now, and we have 1,000 watts worth of solar on the roof. And so far that has provided enough power to air condition the whole bus throughout the summer while I'm working on it, and supply power for all the power tools. So I think we're going to be set on power this time around. Coming inside here, this is what I'm working on currently, is the shelving above the driver compartment here. I'm not 100% sure what I'm doing with this. I'm kind of just building and seeing what comes out of it. So don't judge me too hard here. I do apologize about the mess in here, but this is what it looks like at the current moment. So I guess we'll start at the back here. So I was going to do the kitchen and the bathroom back here, but I ended up changing my mind, and this is going to be just a multi-purpose room. So I'm going to make a bathroom here, and it's going to be a very large bathroom, and then I'm going to make like a garage / tool holder section over here. And the idea being that these are two separate sections, but then I can open up the wall between them to make it one big section. Looking at the back to the front, we have the electrical system on this side here. This is just my whole electrical rack. I've got a few circuits connected here, but nothing too crazy yet. Pretty much just the air conditioner so I can work in the nice cool air. This is my EcoFlow, and this is what I'm using to power the bus, and this is what all the solar goes into, and it provides AC power out, and of course it has all these USB ports and DC power out as well. But I went with the EcoFlow because it's just nice and easy. I don't have to think about it too much. I can just use it, and if I ever need to take it somewhere or if I need to replace it, it's just as easy as pulling it out and putting it back in. Right now you can see we're pulling in, well, actually almost as much as we're putting out. So we're pulling in about 530 watts there, and we're taking about 550 watts or so. Well, now a cloud just went over. But what's cool about this is the solar panels on top generate just enough power to run the air conditioner. So for the most part, the air conditioner only uses about as much power as the solar panels on the roof are generating. And what's nice about that too is the air conditioner doesn't run all the time. It turns on and off, and it idles up and it idles down. So, a lot of the time the solar power is just going back into the battery. And as you can see, we stay fully charged pretty much all the time. So I'm really liking this configuration. I think I made the right choice with the EcoFlow and the air conditioner. And, it's been sustaining the air conditioner even without insulation in the bus yet. So I think we made the right choice here, and I think it's going to work a whole lot better when we have walls and insulation up. This is the front-facing section, the most done part. I'm going to set up my bed slash futon here, and then I'm going to put a kitchen counter over here. I got these little lights on Amazon, and I may post some videos about how to install them. I'm not 100% sure. Definitely let me know in the comments what you guys think and what you guys want to see. I've noticed that the Skoolie build videos have not been doing super well, but the product review videos have been doing really, really well. So if that's what you want to see, definitely let me know. Or if you have other suggestions, definitely let me know. So anyway, like I said, we got these lights in. We still need to seal up all the cracks and paint everything. So the idea here is that this is going to be an extension of the kitchen, and the kitchen's counter is going to go right here, but we're going to have the sink and, you know, the prepping surface, and then hopefully have a microwave or toaster oven or something up there. And yeah, just have storage otherwise. And that's kind of the plan that we're going with right now. So that's where the bus is at right now, and hopefully I can be a little bit more consistent with uploading my videos in the future. I'm going to try really hard to be consistent going forward, but it's coming along. Hopefully it's finished soon, and hopefully we can start some traveling. I will post individual videos about what I've done in the bus, so like with the electrical work or with the putting in the lights and installing the air conditioner. I will make videos about those things. Let me know if there's anything else you want to see in particular, but I'm going to try and change up my channel just a little bit to see if I can maybe get a little bit better traction on YouTube and see if going a different direction might be a little bit better for me. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.